So what does chaos mean? Chaos refers to a state of complete disorder and confusion, where there is a lack of control or organization. It can describe situations where everything is out of control, often leading to problems or difficulties. Chaos can be seen in physical situations like a disorganized event or in abstract situations like confusion in decision-making or planning. After the announcement, there was chaos in the streets as people rushed to get to the venue. Let's look at some more examples to help you understand how chaos is used. The earthquake caused chaos in the city, with buildings collapsing and roads being blocked. There was chaos in the office when everyone tried to submit their reports at the last minute. The sudden change in plans created chaos among the event organizers. In these examples, chaos refers to situations of complete disorder, where things are out of control or confusing. You might be wondering, when should I use the word chaos? You use chaos when describing a situation where things are unorganized, disordered, or confused. It can refer to anything from a physical mess to a mental state or a disorganized situation. For example, if a group of people is not working together and things are falling apart, you could describe the situation as chaos. The meeting turned into chaos when everyone started talking over each other and no one could make decisions. Quick recap. Chaos means complete disorder and confusion. It refers to situations where things are out of control and there is no organization. You use chaos when talking about situations that are disordered, confused, or difficult to manage. Now you know what chaos means and how to use it in different contexts.